Hello and welcome once again to our YouTube channel. I'm Jeffrey with Habibis Home Medical and Habibis Durable Medical, here with my friend Tony, who's doing the behind the scenes stuff. Well, we've mentioned this in the past in relation to a bedside commode, so now we're going to mention it again. It is the raised toilet seat. This is a non-covered item, but it is for sale and available through our website, gohhm.com or habibishomemedical.com. As you can see, the raised toilet seat is about 4-5 inches tall. And it may not seem like a lot of extra space to get that toilet seat raised up, but when you are bending your legs and don't have to push up quite as far, and you have the benefit of a couple handles, it really does help you. So we're going to show you this. These handles simply click right in, and as you can see, the bowed side of it is on the outside. And if I can get it to click right in there. And then this one can click right in here. Like so. As you can see, the shape is starting to come together. Now, to put this onto your toilet, it's got this little rubberized little lock. And what that does is, as you can see, you can get more space there, is you screw this down like so, and the lock clamps down on the edge of the toilet. And what that does is it provides a friction base to keep this locked in. So if you don't make sure that it's locked in, it could be unsteady. So we do encourage you to make sure it's really tight and check it often. The other thing about this is made with non-porous plastic. So to clean it up, you may need to wipe it down every now and again. And it's a very basic design, but it's elegant in its simplicity and the fact that it does work. If you'd like one of these, please go to our website at habibishomemedical.com and find the raised toilet seat. We hope that you guys will subscribe for more information on our videos, and please comment below because that's how we get to know what you want to see from us. Thank you guys again for watching today. Have a great day.